Very good morning, students. Welcome back to mathematics class. So today we'll try to complete this exercise 1.6, which is the last exercise of the first chapter. So this exercise deals with practical problems related to union and intersection of two sets. Already in yesterday's class we started the exercise, and for example we are completing the exercise 1.6. Fourth one I have given as an homework for you. I hope you have been complete that question. Let us go for fifth one, right? If capital X and capital Y, and one more, that is, what do we notation for union? What do we call in terms of words? Union is what? It is and, right? And intersection, sorry, not and. Union is what? It is or A or B. The symbol union means it is or A or B. So if I write A union B, right? A or B. The symbol union indicates or either A or B, or at least one of them, A or B. The symbol intersection indicates and, right? It is A intersection B. A intersection B means what? A and B. A union B means A or B. The symbol union indicates or in terms of words, and the symbol indicates intersection indicates and in terms of word, right? And dash means not it is. A dash means it is not A, right? That is a complement. Okay. Let's complete that exercise 1.6. Fifth one. If capital X and capital Y, if capital X and capital Y are two sets, such that X has 40 elements. X has 40 elements. X union Y has 60 elements. X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements. X intersection Y has 10 elements. How many elements? How many elements does Y have? How many elements does Y have? So we are very familiar with the formula N of A union B. So N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B, or N of A intersection B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. I told you means very frequently using these two formulas. So let us find number of elements present in the set capital Y. So how many elements the set capital Y has? Okay, first we'll write the given data for us. What is given for us? If X and Y are two sets having X has how many elements? 40 elements. So N of X equal to 40. Given N of X equal to 40. Next, X union Y has how many? 60. N of X union Y is equal to 60. And X intersection Y is equal to how much? 10. N of X intersection Y is equal to 10. What is asking to find? Number of elements in Y. N of Y is equal to question mark. Right? N of number of elements in Y are to find. We know that N of X union Y is equal to N of X plus N of Y minus N of X intersection Y. X union Y is how much? 60. N of X is 40. N of Y have to find number of elements in Y. X intersection Y is what? 10. Right? So 60 is equal to, it is 40 minus 10 is equal to 40 minus 10 is what? 30. 30 plus N of Y implies, right? So So 60 minus 30 equal to 30 implies n of y is equal to 30, right? Hence the number of elements in set y is 30. Hence the number of elements in set y is 30, right? In this way theoretically you can solve, and even we can solve with the help of Venn diagram also. So if you take a rectangle that is a universal set, capital X and capital Y. So already as given n of x equal to 40, but this is a common part, right? So which is both common as x as well as y. How many elements are present in both x intersection y? It is 10. So that 10 I write here. That is 10 elements are present in both set x and y. Next, n of x equal to how much? 40. So this total n of x equal to 40. Already written 10 here. Next means how much to write here? It is 30. 30 plus 10 equal to 40. That indicates number of elements present in set x, where 10 is also present in y. So that are written common. Right? Next, y. So this y ought to find. But what is x union y? X union y is equal to 60. It is right. So x union y is equal to 60. Then how much I should write here? So that total 30 plus 10 plus what is 60. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. 40 plus 20. So 20 are only present in y. Right? So this indicates only x, and this indicates only y. But we want number of elements present in y. Means total number of elements present in y will be only y plus which are common in x also. 20% is equal to 30. So 30 are present in y, 40 are present in x, 10 are present in both, and 30 are present in only x. Right? Totally 40 are present in x, in which 30 are present only in x but not in y. And the total number of elements present in y is what? 30, in which 20 are only present in y and 10 also present in x. So this what with the help of Venn diagrams you can tell. Right? So if you add total a union b, what is x union y? X and y equal to 60. 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Total number of elements present in a union b is equal to, or x union y equal to 60. So this type of you have to solve in MCQ or CET type. But theoretically, you are trying to the given data, format required result you have to find. Okay, let us go for next sixth question. Sixth one. In a group of 70 people, in a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the drinks. Each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? How many people like both coffee and tea? So I told for you, whenever you come across the word a group of people, a committee of people, that indicates is your A union B. A survey or investigation or individually they are counting, that indicates n of u, that is a universal set. So here it is a group of people of 70, right? So that indicates 70 indicates is your number of elements present in A union B. Some number of group you are taking, Not, we don't know how many number of people are there. Some number of people, that is your A union B. That is a subset of universal set. We don't know how many total number of people, how many are that we don't know. In that total number of people are taking only some group you are taking. That indicates your A union B. 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. Means what 70 people are taking, all are included here. That indicates A union B only. So A union B is equal to 70. All the 70 people are included, right? So all the 70 people are participating or taking either tea or coffee. No of the one of the people is left out among 70 people. And how many people like both tea and coffee? Both is our intersection of to find. At least one of them, that is A union B is equal to 70. Okay. Let us denote let C and capital T be the set of people who like coffee and tea. Solution. Let capital C and capital T denote the set of people who likes coffee and tea, right? Then okay, 37 like coffee, N of C is equal to 37. 52 like tea, N of T is equal to 52. And each person likes at least one of the two drinks, that is N of A union B equal to 70. N of C union T is equal to 70. What you have to find? How many people like both coffee and tea? N of C intersection T is equal to question mark, right? Again, we know that we want directly C intersection T now, we'll take that only. C intersection T, N of C plus N of T minus N of C union T. N of C intersection T, N of C is 37 plus N of T is 52 minus C union T is what? 70, right? N of C intersection T, it is 7, 8, 9, 5 plus 3 is what? 89 minus 70, right? What is 70, 80, 19? It is 19. 89 minus 70 is equal to 19. So 19 people like both tea and coffee. Hence, the number of people who like tea and coffee is what? 19. Or 19 people like both tea and coffee. Hence, 19 people likes both tea and coffee. Right, so this was about the 6th question. Now let us go for 7th question, which is important. This type of verbal problem they can do for 3 marks. 7th one, which is an important. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket. 40 like cricket. 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket. how many like tennis? How many like tennis? Okay. Here you have to find two things here. One is tennis only and tennis. We will read the question first. What the question says: in a group of 65 people, a group is there. So this indicates 65 indicates n of A union B, right? So in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket. Okay, n of C is equal to 40, and 10 like both cricket and tennis. Means n of C intersection T is equal to 10. How many like tennis only? What do you mean by tennis only? That is a only. N of I told N of A only. What is N of A only? It is nothing but A minus B. So you have to find T minus C. Only tennis but not cricket. That is your A only or T only or tennis only. When I tell N of B only, what is N of B only? N of B minus A. B but not A. A but not B. That is A only. Only tennis. Only tennis or tennis but not cricket. Here again the question is continued. How many? How many like tennis? Means n of t. So two things you have to find here. One is n of t minus c you have to find, and one more is what? N of t you have to find. This indicates tennis only. This indicates tennis. Right. So let us find both the result. And we know this is the formula to find a only. N of a. What is the formula to find a only? N of a minus n of A intersection B, right? So n of A only is nothing but your n of A minus B. To find number of elements present in A minus B is what? N of A minus n of A intersection B. To find number of elements present in B only, that is B minus A, n of B minus n of A intersection B, right? Okay, let us complete this problem. First, we'll write the given data. Let capital T and capital C denote the set of people who like cricket and tennis. Let capital C and capital T denote the set of people who like cricket and tennis. Who like cricket and tennis. Then, okay, now let us write what is the given data for us. 40 like cricket, n of C is equal to 40. 10 like both cricket and tennis, n of C intersection both or and is intersection. How many both are liking? 10. 10 like both cricket and tennis. In a group of means what it is? N of C union T is equal to how much? 60, right? Cricket or tennis, cricket and tennis. What you have to find? T only. N of T only means what? N of T minus C is question mark. And even one more you have to find. What you have to find? N of T you have to find. These two results you have to find now, right? So to find this one, N of T minus means what? N of T minus N of T minus N of T intersection C. Already we know T intersection C is here, right? But we don't know what is N of T. First, we have to find N of T. Okay. We know that N of C union T is equal to N of C plus N of T minus N of C intersection T. What is C union T? 65. What is N of C? 40. N of T you have to find. N of C intersection T 10. 65. 40 minus is what? 30 plus N of T implies N of T is equal to 65 minus 30 is what? 35. So 35 people like tennis, right? Only tennis still have to find. So 35 like tennis, and in that 35 both are liking how many? 10. Now we have to find T only, that is T minus C. Hence 35 people 35 people likes tennis. We'll find out T only. N of P only, T minus C. N of T minus N of C intersection T or T intersection C. Both are the same because A intersection B is same as B intersection A. C intersection T is same as T intersection C intersection T is same as T intersections because intersection satisfies the commutative property. N of T minus C. What is N of T we got here? N of T is how much? 35. 35 minus intersection is how many? How much? Intersection is 10. 35 minus 10 is what? 25. So 25 like only tennis and 35 like tennis. Hence 25 people likes only tennis, right? So if you solve with the help of Venn diagram, right? So if you go for solving with the help of Venn diagram, it is universal set, it is cricket, and it is tennis. So already common. What is the common? How many people are liking both say intersection cricket as tennis? 10. Right? So that I should write in the middle term. That middle part, that is a common part for both cricket and tennis. Next, cricket is how many? 40. So 40 total number of people are liking cricket is what? 40. In that 40 only I written 10. Then how much is it here? 30. Right? Now if I take union, what is union I'm getting as 65. 30 plus 10 is what? 30 plus 10 is what? 40. 40 plus how much is 65? 25. Right? So that 25 I should write here. Right? So 30 plus 10 is what? 40. 40 plus 25 is what? Totally 65. Now we cannot say it is equal to 65. So tennis. How many are liking tennis here? This total gives here tennis. 25 plus 10 is what? 35. So 35 liking tennis. Only tennis. Only tennis what? This is only tennis. How many are liking only tennis? 25. Right? So therefore Venn diagram so we can solve. Okay. Next, let us go for next question. That is your 8th question. Eighth one to take as a homework question for you. To try it by yourself. In a committee, 50 people speak French. 50 people speaks French. 20 speak Spanish. And 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of these two languages. How many speak at least one of these two languages? So this is easy, you can solve it by yourself. This will take it as a homework questions for you. So it is saying in a committee. Committee means or a group of people. A committee of people means or it is A union B. In a committee, 50 speak French. That is n of F is equal to 50. 20 speak Spanish. N of S equal to 20. And 10 speak both Spanish as well as French. N of S intersection F is equal to 10. How many speak at least? At least means either A or B. That is N of S union F is equal to question mark. That is at least one of the languages are either French or Spanish. That is at least one of these two languages you have to find. That is N of S union F you have to find. Your answer is on 60 ratings. Right? So just to conclude this example as an homework question for you. Now we'll go for next work example. So this completes your exercise 1.6. We'll solve some work example so that totally it will be completed. We'll go for now work example. Okay, work example. First one, if capital X and capital Y are two sets such that X union Y has 50 elements, X union Y has 50 elements, X has 28 elements, and capital Y has 32 elements, comma, how many elements does X intersection Y have? So this also you can solve easily, I think, right? So this also take as an homework question for you. Your answer is X intersection Y is 10 ratings, right? So this just to come to this example also. We'll go for second question. In a school, there are 20 teachers. In a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics, or physics. Or what do you mean by or? It is A union B, and means A intersection B. Mathematics or physics, full stop. Of these 12 teach mathematics, and 4 teach both physics and mathematics. full stop, how many teach physics? How many teach physics? Okay, let us solve this example. In a school, there are 20 teachers. 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. So that 20 what it indicates? M union P. If you take capital M and capital P as set of teachers who teach mathematics and physics, right? It is mathematics or physics or A union P is equal to 20. Let capital M and capital P denote the set of teachers, who teach mathematics and physics. Then what is given data for us? 20. N of M union P is equal to 20, mathematics or physics. 12 teach mathematics. N of M is equal to 12. 4 teach both physics and mathematics. Both. What do you mean by both? Intersection A and B. Or means A or B, that is A union B. Both 4 teach both physics and mathematics. What? N of P intersection M is equal to 4. It is both P intersection M or M intersection P, physics and mathematics equal to 4. What we need to find? How many teach physics, right? How many teach physics means N of P is equal to question mark, right? So let us use that formula. Let us find that result. N of M union P, N of M plus N of P minus N of M intersection P. Union area given 20, N of M is 12, N of P ought to find, intersections are 4, right? 12 minus 4 is what? 8, 8 plus N of P, right? 6, 7, 8. Okay. 20 minus 8 is 12. Minus 8 is equal to 12 implies N of P is equal to 12. Hence, 12 teachers teach physics. Hence, 12 teachers teach physics, right? Okay. This was about the second question. Third question, we'll solve. Third question. That is also an easy question for us. In a class of 35 students, in a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket, and 16 like to play football. 16 like to play football. Also each student likes to play at least one of the two games, at least one of the two games. Full stop. How many students like to play both cricket and football? Both cricket and football? Question mark. Right? So this also an easy question for you. This also you can try it by yourself. In a class of 35 students, this 35 indicates A, B, and B. 24 like to play cricket. N of A. 16 like to play football. N of B. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. Each student likes to play at least one of the two games. On all the 35 students have been taking participation. No student is left out. That indicates this 35 indicates N of A union B. At least one of the two games, that is either cricket or football they are playing. So out of 35, no student is left out. So all the 35 students have been included. That indicates N of A union B is equal to 35. At least likes to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? That is N of A intersection B is equal to question mark. So I hope this you can try this example as a homework. Your answer is N of C intersection D, cricket as football. Cricket and football is equal to 5 right? Okay, this also will complete third question. Now let us go for fourth question and fifth question, which are considered as a very important question in the exercise 1.6. Fourth question. Fourth one, in a survey of 400 students, in a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice, which is an important question for you. Apple juice, comma 150 as taking orange juice, and 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as orange juice. Full stop. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice, and how many students taking neither apple juice nor orange juice, right? In a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice, 150 as taking orange juice, 75 were listed as taking both apple as orange. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. So I told the word survey, the investigation or individual is there means that indicates is your N of U. Total all elements have been taken. No element is left out at all. So that indicates this number 400 indicates number of elements present in the universal set. Universal set is the bigger set. So I cannot already a survey has been made. So totally how many people are there? 400 people are there. So it cannot be 401 because already survey has been made. So total all the people have been included. So no people is left out at all. If I take only group of people, group of 75 people, that indicates it's your A union B. So totally if there are how many people we don't know. In that people number of people are taking some group of people that indicates A union B. That is A and B are the subset of U. But here a survey has been made, all the people have been included. That indicates 400 indicates your number of elements present in the universal set. Right. So once again I tell a survey has been made and investigation has been made or individually they are counting, that indicates is your universal set. And investigation is done. So by investigating all the people have been taken. So no people has left out at all. So that indicates it's your universal set. Right, so N of U is equal to 400. In a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice. N of A is equal to 100 and 150 as taking orange juice. N of B is equal to 150. 75 were listed as taking both. Both means what? A intersection B. Taking both apple as well as orange juice. N of A intersection B equal to 75. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. So if I write N of A union B, N of A union is what? A or B or either A or B. Either A or B means it's your A union B. But it is opposite to that one. Either A or B opposite is what? Neither A nor B means its complement you have to find. That is A union B whole dash. A union B is either A or B. A union B whole dash is neither A nor B. That is a complement of either A or B. So how to find N of A union B whole dash? We know that what we know A dash. What is A dash? U minus A. Similarly, N of A union B whole dash is U minus N of A union B. That indicates some of people who are taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. Right? So if I write only A union B, either apple juice or orange juice. Its complement will be neither apple juice nor orange juice. So you have to find N of A and B whole dash. That is given by N of U, right? N of U minus N of A and B. So first you have to find A and B, then minus with U. That gives your number of people or number of students liking neither apple juice nor orange juice. Right? Even this also can solve within a minute. You can solve in Venn diagram. But let us say, since it is a theoretical, we will solve in theoretical. If this question comes in CET type, that time we can solve with the help of Venn diagram. Right? Okay, let us solve this problem. First, what is important for us to write the given data? I am mentioning the set, right? Which are the set we are denoting that you have to write. Let us take apple juice as A and orange juice as O, right? Okay. Let capital A and capital O denote set of people, not people here, students. Yes. Let capital A and capital O denote the set of students who likes, right? Or who taking. Okay, let capital denote set of students who takes apple juice and orange juice. Then, okay, survey has been made means it is your N of U. N of U is equal to 400. Next, 100 were listed taking apple juice. N of A is equal to 100. 150 as taking orange juice. N of O is equal to 150. 75 listed as taking both N of apple juice as well as orange juice equal to 75. Find number of students who take neither of them. Neither of them is what? A union O whole dash equal to question mark. Right? That is A union O dash you have to find. First to find A union O dash, first let us know what is A union O, then minus with U. We know that N of A union O, right? N of A plus N of O minus N of A intersection O. N of A plus N of O minus N of A intersection O. N of A union O, N of A, what is N of A? 100 plus N of O is 150 is 75. So this is 250 minus 75. What is 250 minus 75? It is 175 now. 150 plus 175. Okay, 175 are taking either apple juice or orange juice. 400 minus 175, that gives neither apple juice nor orange juice, right? Okay. N of A union O whole dash is N of U minus N of A union O. A union O whole dash. N of U, what is N of U? 400 minus A union O is what? 175. So if you minus 20, 225 now, right? It is 225. 25, 200, 225 is neither apple juice nor orange juice. Hence, 225 students takes neither apple juice nor orange juice. Hence, 225 students takes neither apple juice nor orange juice, right? Okay, this is your fourth work example. One more work example is that is the fifth one. That is also very important work example for 3 marks. Both fourth question and fifth question are taken as very important question for 3 marks. So let us complete that fifth question also. Okay, fifth one, we'll solve. There are 200 individuals. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder, comma 120 had been 120 had been exposed to the chemical C1, 50 to chemical C2, 50 to chemical C2, and 30 to both 30 to both 30 to both the chemicals, both the chemical C1 and C2. 30 to both the chemical C1 and C2. Full stop. Find the number of individuals. Find the number of individuals exposed. Number of individuals exposed to first bit. Chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Second bit, chemical C2 but not chemical C1. Third bit, chemical C1 or chemical C2. Okay. But the question says there are 200 individuals. All have been taken into consideration. No people is left out. That indicates your universal set. How many elements universal set consists of 200. With the skin disorder, right? With the skin disorder, 120 have been exposed to the chemical C1. Means among these 200 individuals, 120 has some skin disorder, which is caused by some chemical C1. 50 to chemical C2. Among 200, 50 people have some skin disorder, which is caused by some chemical C2, and 30 to both chemical C1 and C2. Right, so 30 people are suffering from skin disorder, which is caused by both chemical C1 and C2. Find the number of individuals. Find the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 but not chemical C2. A but not B, or A only. That is N of C1 minus C2 is equal to question mark. Chemical C1 but not chemical C2. A only or A but not B. This is first bit. Second bit, chemical C2 but not chemical C1. That is N of C2 minus C1 is question mark. That is B but not A, or B only, that you have to find. Third one, chemical C1 or chemical C2, or what indicates or indicates union and indicates intersection. So chemical C1 or chemical C2 is not N of C1 union C2 equal to question mark. So these are the 3 points. These are 3 bits you have to find. First is chemical C1 but not chemical C2. N of C1 minus C2 is question mark. Second bit, chemical C2 but not chemical C1. N of C2 minus C1 is question mark. Chemical C1 or C2, that is N of C1 union C2 is equal to question mark. Okay, let us write the given data and we'll solve these 3 results. Before that, you have to mention, right, what is A and what is B. Let us take C1 and C2 only. Let C1 and C2 denote the number of people, number of individual which are with individual with the skin disorder of chemical C1 and C2. Okay. Let C1 and C2 be the set. Let C1 and C2 denote the set of individuals, set of individuals with a skin disorder exposed to chemical C1 and chemical C2. C1 indicates number of people suffering from skin disorder with the help of chemical C1. C2 indicates number of people suffering from skin disorder with the chemical C2. Then, okay, there are 200 individuals, means that is your N of U is equal to 200. Okay, with the skin disorder, 120 have been exposed to chemical C1, means N of C1 is equal to 120. 50 to chemical C2, N of C2 is equal to 50. 30 to the both chemical C1 and C2. 30 C1 intersection C2 equal to 30. 30 to the both chemical C1 and C2. Find the number of individuals exposed to first bit. Let us find first bit. Chemical C1 but not chemical C2. It is N of C1 minus C2. What is N of C1 minus C2? N of C1 minus N of C1 intersection C2. Because what is N of A minus B? N of A minus B is N of A minus N of A intersection B. Right? Okay. If I substitute the formula, N of C1 minus C2, unless I write on the upside. N of C1 minus C2. N of C1 minus N of C1 intersection. C2. What is N of C1? 120. 120 minus intersection is what? 30. Right? 120 minus 30. 120 minus 30 will be 90. 90. So 90 had been exposed to chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Hence 90 people exposed to, or 90 individuals, 90 individuals has been exposed to chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Right? That is the first bit, chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Now second bit, chemical C2 but not chemical C1. Chemical C2 but not chemical C1. That is C2 minus C1. Chemical C2 but not chemical C1. N of C2 minus C1. What is N of C2 minus C1? N of C2 minus N of C1 intersection C2 or C2 intersection C1. Right? n of C2 minus C1. What is n of C2? What is n of C2? 50. 50 minus C1 intersection C2, 30. 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. So 20 had been exposed to chemical C2 but not chemical C1. Hence 20 individuals has been exposed to chemical C2 but not chemical C1. Last, third bit, chemical C1 or chemical C2. Chemical C1 or chemical C2. Means what are to find? N of C1 union C2. N of C1 union C2 is what? N of C1 plus N of C2 minus N of C1 intersection C2. N of C1 plus N of C2 minus N of C1 intersection C2. Third is C1 or chemical C1 or chemical C2. N of C1 union C2. What is N of C1? 120 have been exposed to chemical C1 of it is 120. What is N of C2? 50 to chemical C2. N of C2 is 50. And 30 to both chemical C1 and C2. 30 means 30 is both chemical 30. Right? C1 intersection C2 is how much? 30 to both chemicals C1 and C2. Okay. If I 120, 50 minus 30 is what? 20. 120 plus 20 is what? 140. So 140 have been exposed to chemical C1 or C2. Right? You can write here. Hence 140 individuals has been exposed to chemical C1 or chemical C2. Hence 140 individuals has been exposed to chemical C1 or chemical C2. Chemical C140 have been exposed to chemical C1 or chemical C2. Right. So this completes your 1.6 also. Right. Okay, students, we'll stop here. Right. Okay. Thank you, students.